In this video, I'm going to show you where to find the strange door deviant in Once Human. So this is actually the location I'm standing at right now. As you can see, it's this kind of dory area over here. It's not here right now because it hasn't spawned yet, but yeah, I'm going to show you where this is. If I press the map, it's right up here where this Winding Ridge frontier is. You want to go kind of up and then kind of in the middle between Ricky Securement Point and this Winding Ridge frontier. So this over here is the exact location. Now, I suggest you teleporting to either this or this teleportation tower and simply driving your motorcycle up to this door. Now, I've just done that. There's also a puzzle over here, by the way. You can get a nice loot crate and some gear for your weapons. And what I wanted to say is that in case it's not spawned there, just like in my case over here, what you want to do is go to the nearest teleportation tower, so back where you came from, and simply change the world, because it may be spawned in the other world. However, in yours it's not, because someone may have taken it or something else may have interfered with the process. So yeah, just come over here and it's going to be over here in the middle. You just then capture it as you would with any other deviant, and if it's not there, change the world, come back and keep trying until you find it. It took me for the first time about 6 tries to get it, so I had to change the world 6 times, but I got it eventually, and I believe you will too. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.